This is the UK Smart Train Kiddie Ride by 𝕰𝕭𝕗. This better work or else. Okay. Hello, let's travel around the world. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, I call myself far, a long way to run. So, I need a pulling threads. La, I know that follows so. Tea, I drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to town. I call myself far, a long way to run. So I need a pulling thread. Tea, I drink of jam and bread. That will bring us back to town. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, so, do. This is ABC. This song is called ABC Song by 𝕄𝕒𝕕𝕕𝕕𝕗. 𝕄𝕒𝕕𝕕𝕕𝕗. Snuff 222. W.
Sing this happy alphabet song.
Yeah.
Sing this happy alphabet song. We are glad to sing along.
Sing this happy song. We just swing along. Sing this happy alphabet song.
We are glad to sing this song. We are glad to sing along. Sing this
9,
happy
8,
song. Sing and
7,
swing
6,
along. Sing this
5,
happy
4,
alphabet
3,
song.
2, 1. Time's over. South and blue. South and blue. And that was the Smart Train Kiddie Ride by 𝕰𝕭𝕗. If you want more, like and subscribe.